Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to use stack and padding options in Adobe XD. Let's do a simple information card with an image, topic, and description. Time to find an image for our card. Okay, we can use this image. Maybe scale down a little, okay. Now I'm gonna draw a rectangle shape and mask our image with the shape. Need more scaling, I guess. Let's set the border radius to 12 pixels. Looks nice. Now I need a topic. Let's type Sidgery or rock. Oh, it's going the opposite way. Quickly align to our image and set an appropriate font size. I'm going with 20. Let's duplicate this. Now we can add something like location. Again, duplicate this. Typing center province of Sri Lanka. Switch to the title case from here. Change font weight to regular. Make this to a group. Then we stack the two objects. Let's do a quick adjustment to font sizes. Looks okay. Try down the stack space to 5. Better. Okay, time to import the description. Let's draw a text box by clicking and dragging the text tool like this. 12px font size. Nice. Quick edit to the content. Looks nice now. Let's group everything to stack properly. Enable the stack option by clicking here and entering a number here. Now it's stacked. We can edit the stack values of individual objects as well. To do so, double-click on the object, and now you can see we can enter values here that only affect the selected object. Better. The final thing to do is wrap this into a card. Let's draw a card with the rectangle shape tool. Cover the entire thing like this. Make corners rounded. Send the rectangle to the back. Select all and group everything. Enable the padding option and select the single value option to wrap the card equally. Okay, now we are almost done. Now time to test our responsive card. Let's increase the line spacing. Yep, card size changes as expected. We can make changes to card objects freely and their changes accordingly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more tips like this. Goodbye.